Hi guys, welcome to my channel Simply Homemade. In today's recipe, we have super quick 1 minute chutney. That is tomato chutney and it pairs so amazing with any kind of pakoda or bhaji. So let's make it. To make our 1 minute chutney, we need 2 tomatoes and 4 to 5 strands of coriander, 2 green chilies, little crystal salt, and 3 cloves of garlic I've taken. To the mixie, we'll add all our ingredients. Now to this, we'll add quarter glass of water and grind it. Now our chutney is ready. Let's transfer it to our serving dish. Now our super easy tomato chutney is ready and it tastes super amazing, and it's best paired with bhaji and pakoda. So please do give it a try and subscribe for more videos.